Alright, so let's talk about revision Lipo BBL. So a Lipo BBL is when you get liposuction of one area of your body and you put it into your buttocks or hips for a Brazilian butt lift. Generally speaking, people usually plan on doing this one time. You get out all the fat that you don't want and you put it into the areas that you do want. But sometimes people do need another round. There could be a couple reasons for this. One is maybe you had too much fat to work with the first time and you want to get more liposuction, get rid of more fat a second time. Or maybe you had some problems with the first rounds, or maybe the contour is a little bit off. A revision BBL or second procedure is always an option. It's really no more difficult for the patient to get a second BBL because it's just a surgery. You go to sleep, you wake up, and hopefully you have the changes that you want. The recovery is still going to be the same, where you have to wear a compression garment and you want to make sure you don't put too much pressure on the areas that you have fat grafting. Most of the extra work though is going to lay on the hands of the surgeon. It is a little bit harder to do a second or third round because you're going to have more scar tissue, and definitely the surgeon needs to be a little bit more careful about making sure your contours are perfect this time. But generally speaking, I think patients who do have a revision BBL are almost always happier, and you get a kind of a second chance to make it exactly the way that you want.